On the latest figures available, a total of 272 cases have been identified in the Grampian Health Board area since the 26th of July. As of now, 177 of these are thought to be associated with the cluster linked to Aberdeen pubs, and 940 contacts have now been identified from those 177 cases. In general, in the last few days, we've seen a slight fall in the number of new cases in Grampian and in those directly associated with the cluster. But despite this slight reduction, cases are still far higher than in any other part of the country and considerably higher than they were in Grampian before the outbreak started. So based on an assessment from the Incident Management Team and advice from the Chief Medical Officer, the Scottish Government's conclusion is that it is not yet possible to lift any of the restrictions that were put in place last week for Aberdeen. Aberdeen City Council have been fully involved in these discussions, as have Police Scotland, who report good compliance with the restrictions. So if you live in Aberdeen, you should not go into someone else's house. Hospitality businesses such as pubs, restaurants and cafes must remain closed for now. And people who live in Aberdeen should not travel more than 5 miles unless they have to. You can travel for work or education, but you should not travel for leisure or other non-essential purposes. Similarly, we're advising people from outside Aberdeen not to travel into the city unless they have to.